filming. It's filming. You don't want to get kicked, Pablo. You do not want to get kicked. Wrong way. Over. Over. Yo, I'm saying, what are you doing? I need you to come in. Well, I'm trying to hold the gate. I'm trying to hold horses and watch you. You want a pat? That's what you wanted, I think, was a pat. Wasn't it? A pat.
No.
Head. We don't do that to horses. Horses can kick dogs. Be nice.
I'm not so at one with this.
It's alright.
Get away from the back of the Pablo. Dead in a second.
You want to say hello? You just want to say hello? Gentle. 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 That's not gentle, Pablo. That's idiot. Cow poo, man. I think that's just a cow though. Woo. Woo. I don't know. That's a bull. They're cows. Are you brave, Pablo? Punk. I come in peace. I come with GoPro Mutt. Further do you think you can go? No. Come on. I'm scaring them. Is that a bull? Yeah, that bull just got angry with you. I think we could move on. Oh, stay there. Is that a microphone? Is it?
Yeah, mate.
Last week we've got 7 of our existing sheep we had and been here. We had them shorn in here Thursday, Friday, and it was great so the customer could see a little bit of that going on. And yeah, so they're the last ones they kept, and they're like family pets that just walk around here, love all of us. You know, sometimes they'll like a pat, other times they'll just look at you and walk away. But yeah, so the sheep, they were shorn here, then they were cut, the wool was carted out to the Exmouth Gulf and by horse and cart to start with, and then it'd go out on barges out to the sailing ships, which would head off down south to Perth, and then it is transported the wool overseas or to the merchants around Australia to make our jumpers, our clothing, and that type of thing. Yeah, and then later on in the early 90s, they decided they needed to diversify because the wool industry was starting to slow down, and they went to then a meat sheep, which is a Demerara meat sheep, and they were quite good for that time. And yeah, so they did go into the meat with cattle, not just the wool. That lasted then, and then up till around 15 years ago, and a bit before, they decided that no more sheep, and they thought they could diversify into running a farm state and see how it went. Because the Ningaloo in that stage then started to develop, and all these our entrepreneurs.
What the hell? Go for it, attack. Attack. It's my favourite meal, you know that. You want to go around him up? This one, that. German lowrider.
German lowrider.
Oh, it's in the camera.
Don't you know who he is? He's GoPro Mutt.
You get some interesting footage.
Heaps. Got his own channel.
You're gonna have a scared Kelby. Overreact.
GoPro Mutt. Me GoPro Mutt. He's doing a stellar job.